Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing TDO versus FreshChat in 2025. Now, both of these are popular AI chatbots and customer communication tools, but they serve slightly different needs. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, if we talk about TDO, so TDO combines the live chat help desk and its own chat AI bot, which is called Lyro. It is simple to set up. It works great for the small to medium businesses, and it integrates smoothly with Shopify, WordPress, and social platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp. The automation builder is visual and easy to use, and the free plan is strong, though advanced triggers and higher limits cost you extra. If we talk about FreshChat, so FreshChat is part of the Freshworks suite and focuses on the multi-channel messaging and structured workflows. It is built for the teams that need customer support at scale with features like advanced reporting, ticket assignment, and proactive campaigns. So the AI chatbot is here very useful, but not as advanced as TDOs in natural conversations. The pricing here is flexible, but many of the best features are locked in the higher tiers. So the question here is which one is actually better? So you can go with TDO if you run an online store or a small business and you want quick setup, strong AI automation, and e-commerce friendly integration. You can choose FreshChat if you manage a bigger support team and you need deeper analytics, structured workflows, and detailed reporting. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.